Hey everybody, Duelist Revolution here, aka Wrestle Gamer, back on the WGS YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/WrestleGamer, and I am here with a Yu-Gi-Oh box opening. It's Duelist Revolution packs, 3 of them. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up, because it's also supposed to have, it has 3 Duelist Revolution booster packs and 1 of 2 super rare variant cards. So we're going to open this bad boy up and see what we pull, guys. Hopefully we'll pull some good ones. My brother hasn't opened up another pack, but I did pull a pretty cool card out of it. It's a XX Saber Guard Strike. Super rare, I believe. Or ultra rare, I think. I need to look up the classification of cards and to determine, like, you know, the differences between all of the different types of rares. The one too long ago pulled a ghost rare out of a booster pack. And it is on the YouTube channel, guys, so be sure you check that out. Here we go, got the box opening right here. Let's check out what the super rare variant card is. And it is, as I open this up, Gold Sarcophagus. Gold Sarcophagus. So, let us go ahead and start opening up these booster packs. Here we go, the first one right here. I'm going to start whittling down these openings to probably once a week. I'm going to figure out what day I want to post up the openings for you guys on here. So, here we go. We got Flamvel Pound, or Pound, P-O-U-N. We have Chained Whirlwind. We have Gen X Worker. And, ooh, I think we have another super rare and another rare. We have Wise Man's Chalice. Dang it. Here is Delta Flyer. Here is Scrap Rage. Here's What Beta. Scrap Sheen. And the last one in this first booster pack is Queen's Pawn. Let's open up the second pack here. Alright, it is another Chained Whirlwind. What the Scene? We have a Monoceros. Also have Beast Rising. We have Amazonas Willpower. You have Rhino Taurus. Pestilence. We have Dash Warrior. And the last one in this second booster pack is Uni-Horned Familiar. Let's get to the last booster pack here. Took me a little while to open the pack. Anyway, all right, we start with Flamvel Archer. Flamvel Archer. We have Desperate Tag. We have Natura Mosquito. We have Summoning Curse. We have Synchro Fusionist. Another Uni-Horned Familiar. Natura Beans. Beast Rage. We have Watt Pheasant. And the last card is another Dash Warrior. So, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, this Yu-Gi-Oh box opening, guys.